Hey there, it's Stu Beans from the Little House of Beans, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of Silver Lake Campground, which is in Withlacoochee State Forest here in Florida, and so this will be Brooksville, Florida. Silver Lake is part of actually 3 campgrounds that are here, so you all come in the same entrance, and then you have 3 different campgrounds. You have Silver Lake, which I'm going to tour you on now. You also have Cypress Glen, which I'll put a link below because we've already done a tour of that. And you also have Crooked River, which is tenting only. There's no electricity there. Both Cypress Glen and Silver Lake have water and electric, and there is a dump station here which services all the parks. So without further ado, I'm going to take you on a tour. Every site we're going to cover here, and we're going to go slow so you can make an educated decision on which site might be best for you. If you like the kind of content, do me a favor, thumbs up for the video, and here is Edie.
That's a creepy smile, right?
So let's go on the tour. See you in a bit. to get to the lake, you're right by Site 13. I'll take a quick walk down there. So from the campsites, this is the walkway to Silver Lake. And the hiking trail is down this way. I would venture to say this is a boat ramp. I'd have to check the paperwork, but this is concrete all the way to the water. So maybe it's an official boat ramp. Certainly nice for your kayak. And then right across from here is the other campground, Cypress Glen, which we've already done a review. I'll put the link down below. They're both here, so you can get into either one of these campgrounds from the main entrance. And there's the hiking trail right there. And so this is Silver Lake, beautiful Silver Lake. Catch and release if you want to fish here. I know there's bass in here and some other species, I forgot which ones. And then this is the walkway back up. So that is Silver Lake at Silver Lake Campground. There's more of the hiking trail right down there. Stop aquatic hitchhikers. Hey folks, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed taking a tour of Silver Lake Campground here in Withlacoochee State Forest. If that's the kind of content you like, do me a favor. Hit that thumbs up button. That's the best way to help our channel grow. And we appreciate you watching. I hope you found a good site. And I'll see you on the next campground. So, see you then. Camp on and prosper. There's my camp on and prosper. See ya.